Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to delete Telegram contact or delete Telegram contacts number or delete Telegram number. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, I can open this Telegram contact and then you can see Telegram contact name. So click on it and then right top corner 3 button option, and in this step you can choose delete contact. Delete contact, are you sure you want to delete this contact? And then you can choose delete and then go back and then tap on please and then delete, and then you can choose delete chat. And in this I can show another way, so let's see how to do that. And then left top corner 3 button option, click here and then you can choose contacts. So open contacts, and in this I can see my all Telegram contacts, and then open it and then click here right top corner 3 button option and then choose delete contact. Delete contact, are you sure you want to delete this contact? You can choose delete, and in this way you can easily delete Telegram contacts permanently or delete Telegram contacts number permanently or delete any Telegram contacts. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.